saan pangalan nito ulit?
Column.
Colom, ayan. Janessa.
Your wife is a dancer.
Janessa.
Hello.
Dito kami sa Colom. Beach ba to?
Wow.
Ayan, ang ganda doon guys. Oh, did you see that?
Can I shut this all down?
Ang ganda doon. Okay, mamaya
Get the
na.
columns first.
Kasi baka mawalan na ng memory.
What is that?
Bye! Nakita nyo yan?
Bigyan mo yung phone kay Milan. Picture tayo.
Okay na.
Siya naman.
Hello!
Ay, sinabi sa akin. Wala pa si...
Hello! Hello! Look at this. Nakita nyo yan? Ang ganda. Let's go. Pasukin natin dun sa loob doon. Did you see that? Ayan. It's so beautiful. Ayan, nakita nyo yan guys? It's so beautiful in here. Oh, look at this. It's beautiful. I wanna go inside there. Wait for me, ah. Wow, this is so beautiful. Hello. Wow. Look at this. Look at this view. Oh la la. That is the middle. It's beautiful in there. Very beautiful in there. Beautiful.
Ay, hindi ka mag-imot-imot. Ano?
Thank you. Nadala niyo ako dito. Oh my God, ang ganda naman. Beautiful in here, guys. Look at that. Look at the view. Diba? Ayan. Hello. Hello, people. Hello.
Oh, look at them. They have a drone.
We're going home na. Kakain. And then, I don't
Ang
know.
daming isda.
Oh, yeah? Ang daming isda daw.
Maliliit. Hindi siya malamig masyado.
Ang daming isda.
Ano ko magdikos?
Oh, at least may marintahan palang boat. So,
Pero di dyan, bandara dyan siya.
yeah.
Oh, meron daw yung marina doon.
Mm.